One of the common questions we get asked with the pen is, does it write? Which it does. So it's just like a standard pen. You just turn it to open up the nib and turn it the opposite direction to close it. It might have a ink in there already. It may not. If not, just or if it runs out, just unscrew the two sections again. And if there's ink in there already, you'll see like a white crosshead section. If not, there's spare inks at the bottom of the box. If you need to remove the original, just use a little Phillips screwdriver, insert it in, and just turn it a few times till it drops out. And obviously to insert a new one, just drop it into the center, like a hole there. Get this screwdriver and just turn it a few times. The screwdriver is not included, you will need a small one yourself, and then it should be working again.